Idaho's News Channel 7. This is the News at Noon.
Welcome to the News at Noon. I'm Brenda Rodriguez. Happening right now, the women challenging Idaho's near total abortion ban are having their day in court today. The trial comes a year after a national reproductive rights advocacy group sued the state on behalf of patients, doctors, and local medical organization. Abby Davis just stepped out of the courthouse and joins us now. Abby, what's the latest on this?
Brenda, each of the women that went out of the state to get an abortion after being denied one here in Idaho are now testifying. A little bit earlier, both sides gave opening statements. Plaintiffs claim reproductive health care in Idaho spiraled into a crisis after the U.S. Supreme Court overturned Roe v. Wade in 2022, leaving pregnant Idahoans, quote, unable to protect themselves and their families. Abortions in Idaho are only legal in cases of rape, incest, and to prevent the death of the mother. Attorneys call the laws government overreach and say they prevent doctors from providing medically necessary care.
The lives and health of pregnant people are worthy of protection, and that is the bare minimum of what is required under the law.
The plaintiffs want the court to declare Idaho physicians can provide abortions in 3 situations: when a pregnant person has a medical complication that poses a risk of infection, bleeding, or makes it unsafe to continue the pregnancy; when a pregnant person has a medical condition made worse by pregnancy, cannot be treated effectively, or requires recurrent invasive intervention; and when the fetus is unlikely to survive the pregnancy or birth. The state says it's not the court's place to write exceptions into law, saying it would usurp the will of the people. The state attorney says the laws do protect moms and babies. He says they aren't vague, and the case is based on hypothetical medical situations. He also called abortion procedures gruesome and barbaric.
There is no right to abortion in Idaho's Constitution. There is no right to abortion in Article 1, Section 1. It doesn't matter how the plaintiffs try to articulate that right. It doesn't matter whether you call it abortion care, health care, or whatever other euphemism they want to use to hide the fact that every abortion ends in the death of an unborn child.
Again, plaintiffs are not asking the court to allow abortion in all circumstances, just for certain high-risk pregnancies. Coming up on the News at 4, hear directly from the women testifying. Brenda?
Yeah, it will be interesting to hear from her. And thank you so much, Abby Davis, reporting live from the Ada County Courthouse.